This is Bitcoin USDT, and we are on the 4-hour chart. It's Friday, the 23rd of May, 10:51 UK time. And we have now had, over the last day, a breakout of all-time highs from the, what was it, 106 or 108, something like that. Let me open up this chart a bit so you can see. So if you go back to my old videos, you'd notice I drew this rising channel. Okay, from the point of 7th of April at its entry, is played within this rising channel for the best part of almost 2 months, 8 weeks now. Like as I said, all-time highs have been broken. This is the point where it broke out Wednesday, which was 2 days ago, broke up and just happened to touch the top of this trend line on the rising channel. Notice how the price hit that exactly. I haven't touched these lines, I've just extended it from, look how it let me just zoom in. Okay, look at this. So it broke out, this line was already out there, price has come up and literally kissed the line, and now it's doing sideways chop, I believe, to make a move down, possibly back to 106. If it gets down to 106 and you are into long trading, that might be a point to enter a position. How many bounces have we had on this bottom trend line already? We've had, so 1, 2, 3. That's confirming for me a trend line. So it would be an idea to get into a position at 106, setting your stop loss maybe 104, and then a possible move to the upside, which could be even up to 15,000 higher, who knows. Right now could be, I mean, an idea for a short trade at the place where it's reached. I would really, I don't like to just jump into things straight away. The idea would be to have bought up here. You can buy here and set stop loss up, but you know, I would rather look for a rebalance around this area. I have a feeling that it might just do that before heading further down, but I'll be safe, playing safe or waiting down here at 106. We have this support resistance line we have a likely bottom trend line on the rising channel. Now, bigger picture. So if we come out and we go to the day charts, bigger picture, let's take a look at it. Realistically, on a longer time frame, I would not be looking to get into any more longs on this idea, because we have this rising channel. They have a higher probability of breaking to the downside. Okay, so we'll be looking at a break below 106 and a retest, possibly buying in on a retest for a move down. How much further down? Let's take the opening of the channel and place it at a likely breakout point. Let's just say we placed it at this breakout point. Okay, notice that the length kind of nearly matches up with the support resistance line at 99,000. So that would be the idea of the move. Coming down to 99,000 and hanging around here could be a possible move to further to the upside. I've just moved one of the trend lines, support resistance lines. Could be that move that you'll be waiting for to head for the upside, you know, or retesting 106. But like I said about this has already had such a run up. Let's have a look at the RSI. RSI, I believe, will be showing oversold. There you go. So RSI clearly oversold. That's one idea. One reason, sorry, why. Looking for further long positions, I don't know. We have all this support, I mean this resistance above. You know, I'll be more looking for a short trade on slightly longer time frames, like if I was in this. But who knows what Bitcoin is going to do. As you can see, the 91 is a very strong support resistance line. As you can see, we had most of this several month chop hanging just above that and touching that line quite often. So the pullback would really be 91 will be possibly a great place to pick up some more Bitcoin once it's come down a bit, and I believe that 91 is probably the next area where it could hang and hold. But anyway, that's enough from me. Let's see what happens with Bitcoin over the next day. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please drop a like, consider subscribing, and see you on the next video.